Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yogurt in an instant pot. First, gather your ingredients, primarily 1 gallon of milk. You can use whole milk or 2% for a creamy texture. Pour the milk directly into your instant pot's inner pot. Select the yogurt function and then boil. This heats the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for the next step. Once the milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, let it cool down. The ideal temperature for adding your starter is between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Take about 1 cup of this cooled milk and whisk in 2 tablespoons of a good quality starter yogurt. Make sure your starter has live active cultures. Then, gently stir this mixture back into the main pot. Now, place the lid on your instant pot and make sure the vent is sealed. Select the yogurt function one more time and then choose Normal for the incubation setting. You'll want to incubate the yogurt for about 8 to 12 hours. A longer incubation period, like 10 or 12 hours, will result in a tangier yogurt. The instant pot will maintain the perfect temperature for your cultures to thrive. Once incubation is complete, carefully transfer your fresh yogurt to a fine mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth. For a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, strain it for 2 to 4 hours. If you prefer a thinner consistency, strain for a shorter duration. Store your delicious homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.